All right, hey, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining and tuning in. So today, or tomorrow in class, we're going to talk about negative exponents. Okay, so we're going to do some practice with that. Things to recognize. So kind of like when we were doing dividing, or to figure out what anything to the zero was. If we look at powers of 2, so like 4 to the 4 or 2 to the 4th is 16. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 to the 3rd is 8. It's just 2 times 2 times 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2. So, and 2 to the 1st is 2. You might ask yourself, okay, how are we getting from one to the other? Well, we're dividing by 2. So, to move from 2 to the 1st, 2 to the 0, divide by 2, we'd get 1. Okay, well, what's 1 divided by 2? Oh, well, I'm going to write in a little bit. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. Okay, 0.5 or 1/2. We're going to leave it as 1/2. Okay, well, 1/2 divided by 2 is 1/4, which is equal to 1 over 2 squared. 2 to the 3rd. Okay, so that means we're going to take 1/4 and divide by 2. That's 1/8, which is 1 over 2 cubed. So, I mean, you can see what we're doing every time. We're dividing by 2. So if you look, like the exponent, this up here is 2 to the 1st. That exponent is appearing in the denominator. So let's look at a couple examples of this. Okay, I want to go through a few of these. So when we have a negative exponent, what I do, my strategy, I say, okay, I'm going to circle the thing with the negative exponent, and it's going to move. So you saw up here, it moved down into the denominator. That's the same thing this is doing. This is like 1 over 7 squared. Okay, so I'm just drawing an arrow. Okay, this thing has a negative exponent, so it's moving down. 1 over 3 squared. So what I say is, like, when I see a negative exponent, it's like that exponent's being bad. Okay, so if that exponent's being bad, I'm going to send it down to the basement, and then it becomes good again. Okay, so the 3 here. Oh, well, that negative exponent, that's being bad, so I'm going to send it to the basement, and it's going to turn good. Okay, we're going to look at a couple others. We'll do some of these in class. The only thing that might throw you off is, okay, well, right here, number 9. Oops, number 9. Okay, I don't like the way this is written. I'm going to rewrite it as 1 over k squared. Okay, well, hey now, that negative exponent, or sorry, it's k, not k squared. Oh, k to the negative 2. Okay, so that was 1 over k to the negative 2. So that negative is being bad in the basement. Oh, okay, well, I'm going to circle the thing with the negative exponent. Since it's being bad in the basement, I'm going to send it upstairs to its room. And, oh, it's going to turn good up there. So that's like k to the 2nd over 1, which is just k to the 2nd. So wherever that negative is, you're sending that thing up if it's in the basement, and down if it's not in the basement, so you're going to send it down. Okay, that's it. We'll be working on these ones in class. We'll work on a few other practice ones in class. Please bring any questions you have to class. Have a great evening.